Hey friends, today I'm gonna share with you the newest Woolworths Discovery Garden with 24 different vegetable, herb, and flower seed to collect and grow. Each kit contains seed paper, a pot, a pop-out seed name tag, and a soil pellet. And it says here that pots of fun for everyone. Please look inside and read the instruction carefully before you begin. And on the other side of the box, you will see the pop-out seed name tag. And you have to gently tear here to open. And the other information at the bottom. And by the way, you can get this for free for every $30 worth of purchase at Woolworths. So let's get started. So these are the instructions on how to get your garden started. And I will be showing this to you later. Aside from that, they also include some tips on how to keep your garden healthy. And this is the name tag. I got the lettuce. It says here that the sprouting time is 8 to 14 days. The repotting time will be 4 to 6 weeks and the harvest time is 10 to 12 weeks. We have here the pot, small pot, the seeds, alright, and the soil pellet. Now we will place this soil on an empty container and then we will add 50 ml of water. As you can see, the soil pellet is gradually expanding, maybe just enough for the pot. Let's add a bit more of water. See that? The soil pellet expanded. Now it's time to put this on the pot. I will be using the spoon to transfer it. Now gently put the soil into the pot. Make sure to lightly press it down, just to make sure that the roots of the seed can work through that. A bit more. There. And let's now put the seeds. This is lettuce. Then let's put the remaining soil onto the top, just enough to cover the seeds. Now we're done with our first plant. Just don't forget to wash your hands after. Now let's get the name tag. You can put your name and the date you planted the seed. Let's place it here so we will not forget what we planted here. Do you eat lettuce? If yes, me too. Lettuce is a good source of fiber. It also contains the highest quality of vitamin C and vitamin K. So as you can see, I have two plants here, the lettuce and the kale. I will also give you an update if they will grow for about 1 to 2 weeks. There